Hi, welcome to this video. You clicked this video because you are wondering, can you use Shopify for free in India? Shopify doesn't offer a completely free plan, but it does provide your first month for just $1. That month is a trial period during which you can explore its features and set up your online store. If you want to take advantage of this limited time promotion to kickstart your online business with ease and affordability, click the link in the description and get your first month for you just $1. After the first month, you'll need to choose a subscription plan to continue using the platform. While there might be some limitations on the features available in the lower price plans, you can certainly use Shopify in India by subscribing to one of their paid plans. It's a popular choice for e-commerce businesses globally, including in India. If you're unsure if Shopify is right for your business, seize the opportunity to try it for just $1 in the first month. There's minimal risk with such a low cost. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel.